Hello friends, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to learn about one beautiful learning technique, Feynman technique. Richard Feynman said that the first principle is that you must not fool yourself and you are the easiest person to fool. Today we are going to learn Feynman technique or method developed by this American physicist Richard Feynman, the great explainer of the world. Richard Feynman. Richard Feynman was an author, philosopher, intellectual, physicist, graphic novel hero, and above all, the great genius in the world. Nanotechnology, quantum computing, particle physics, these fields are influenced by his research. Feynman used simple illustrations, expressions, simple words to explain complex concepts. What made Richard Feynman the greatest explainer in the world? The answer lies here. It wasn't just his innate intelligence, but the systematic way in which he identified the things which he didn't know and he indulged himself in understanding them. His renowned work, The Interaction Between Light and Matter, made him earn a Nobel Prize in 1965. Why should we learn this Feynman technique? Why should we adopt this one in our learning strategies? Because learning should not be just remembering the content. It is your capacity to think critically about a given topic, about a subject which you are learning. Feynman technique helps in developing true understanding of whatever you are learning. It allows you to take intelligent decisions. It can help you to apply your knowledge to real world problems. When you adopt this Feynman technique, you don't have to spend time more on rote memorization, hours and hours of learning the concepts. With the help of Feynman technique, you can trim down the extra study time for learning basics and concepts. You can learn each and everything in a simple way. The Feynman technique is a perfect strategy to learn the new things, deepening your understanding, to recall the certain ideas or whatever you are reviving for your test, preparing for your exam. After applying this technique, you find noticeable change in your teaching skills and learning skills also. The Feynman technique helps you to comprehend, to recall, as well as to explain the concept in short span of time. It is considered as the active method of learning. Richard Feynman understood the difference between knowing something and knowing the name of something. It is one of the most important reasons for his success. The Feynman technique is universally accepted for almost all the subject and nicks. Feynman rejected rote memorization. He believed that learning should be an active process of trial and error, discovery, pre-inquiry. Step 1. Write down the concept you want to learn. Step 1 of Feynman technique. Here you have to just take one simple blank sheet and write the topic of your concept which you wanted to learn. Then write down whatever you know about the concept, related to the concept on that paper. Each and every minute details share there. Step 2. Teach or explain the concept in your own language. Step 2. Teach and explain the concept in your own terms, in your own simple language. They said one time teaching is equal to twice learning. So when you teach somebody, you understand the concept thoroughly. Whatever you write down there on the paper, you just try to explain that one to somebody who is younger than you, who is not smarter than you. While explaining, you think about the mindset of the learner and the span of learning. Step 3. If your explanation is not satisfactory, go back to the books. Step 3 of Feynman technique is identify the gap in your knowledge. When you find it difficult to convey your ideas, you find yourself shaky while explaining the terms, it means there is gap in your knowledge. Step 3 of Feynman technique is gap in the knowledge. When you try to explain to your younger one, you find yourself shaky, you find difficulty while conveying the ideas, it means that there is a gap in your knowledge. Then go back to the books, to the resources again and relearn the concept. Step 4. Rewrite in simple language again. Step 4, you have to go back to books, you have to go back to resources, review your story, review your writing. Once again, you have to reorganize the thing and get ready to share your knowledge. 4. Rewrite in simpler terms or use analogies. Once again, you write the things in simple terms and once again you reorganize the ideas and try to explain. After learning Feynman technique, we understand key to studying, understanding and becoming an overall better student. Whatever you are learning, whether it is English grammar, quantum physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, Hindi, you can apply Feynman technique for your learning. The Feynman technique not only enabled me to obtain a better grasp of English grammar but also gave me a better understanding of what grammar is all about. Beautiful saying of philosopher Mortimer Adler. The person who says he knows what he thinks but cannot express it usually doesn't know what he thinks.